Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna walk you through the method that shows how you can access Spotify Premium for free. I was honestly surprised by how straightforward the whole process is. So that's why I decided to record this video and explain everything step by step so you can follow along without any confusion. And make sure you stay until the end so you don't miss any important details and you can start right away. So first things first, grab your mobile phone because doing this from your phone actually makes the process really much easier, and I'll demonstrate everything clearly so you can repeat the same steps at home. So guys, all you're gonna need is go to your web browser and search for the website joincoupons.com. Once you're on that website, in the search bar you have to search for Spotify Premium coupon code. Here you have to scroll a little bit down and press the show coupon button and then unlock code. So perfect. Here you see the list of offers. Here is written that you have to complete 2, but I do recommend you to complete 3 to be 100% sure that you could receive your personal promo code. So let's start from the beginning. Here I have to download and complete level 9. Here I have to download this app and reach level 11. And here I have to fill in my details and start a free trial. So I'm just gonna go guys and do this, and not to waste much time, I'll complete all the offers and come back to you. So now I'm done, and here is written that I have to type done and press submit right after completing the offers. I've completed mine, so I will just type done and then submit. Yeah, perfect. You see, I received my very personal promo code. That was honestly very easy. It took me like, I don't know, from 5 to 10 minutes, and I completed all the offers really very fast, and I hope you guys will enjoy your promo codes, and I wish you everything best. See you in the next videos.